the evergreen trees growing along your spine. Maybe the curve of the canyon where your leg meets your torso. Feeling the texture of this mountain and how ageless it is, how timeless it is. Stillness that stretches on for years and years without end. And imagine rain starting to fall on this mountain. Rain dousing the evergreen trees. Rain pouring into the canyon at your hip socket. Rain taking this shape and dissolving it and spreading your body out along the ground, along the turf. Little parcels of mud swept away in the flood, stretching your body out, stretching your mountain, scattering you across the ground. And feel the peacefulness of complete freedom. Unburdened, unfettered. Stretched as long as you can be. Scattered in every direction. And imagine that somebody comes along with a shovel and piles you back up and puts you together again and creates a new mountain shape all the way up high, coming to 2 feet, coming to 2 limbs. A standing mountain. Another mountain shape, a shape you can hold, a shape that you can hold for an indefinite period of time, a shape you can hold for a while. And feeling the peak of snow, the snow on the top of your head, the gully in front of your collarbone, the steep cliffside of your hips, and feeling the timelessness of this shape, that you could hold it roughly forever, that it's sturdy, it's supported, it's powerful. And this time when the rain comes, you're not going to dissolve. You're not going to fall. But I want you to imagine that rain comes, hitting the top of your head, melting some of the snow up there, coming down into the gully of your collarbone, trickling along the sides of your hips, and smoothing your rough edges. And take a moment to observe how it feels different. How it feels different to blend the control and freedom, the power and surrender. How that's different from either one of the other. And when you're ready, let your eyes fall open. And let's talk about your experience. I should ask you to become